Hi, this is a quick video to show you how to create and then use scenes inside of the Riverflow app. So here we are for today's video inside of Arcane, one of our test brands. It's a perfume brand. So to create a scene, the first way is I'm going to go to the scenes area in the side nav and I'm going to click create new scene. When I'm here, I have two options, either an image URL or an upload image. Today, I'm going to use an upload image. And this is just uploading any reference image. And this part of the tool, what it's going to do is it's going to take that reference image and use it as inspiration in our scene library, but kept private to you, that you can then use to regenerate and create different imagery from. So great, so that's uploaded now. When I submit, I'm going to see it loading in the scenes area. And when it's ready, I'll find it within the scene library under the Your Scenes area. And so here is a version of it that I made earlier. So I'll click on that. I'm just going to go ahead and add my products. And I'm going to generate 4 options. In this case, I don't need to add a prompt. It's going to be clear what the AI needs to do. Great, so those images have generated now. And as you can see, as I said earlier, we're not taking the scene exactly here. The scene is being used when you upload it as an inspiration that can then be used as a reference point to create new imagery. And so you can see that our results, if I just close the side panel, you can see that our results provide some variation here. If you want to use that scene exactly to just swap your product in without changing it at all, then you'd come to the images area, you'd click on add visual references, and you would upload that scene as an image. So I did that earlier. There is the scene as my reference, and then I add my product as a reference, and I write a prompt like swap the perfume from image 2 into image 1 without changing anything else about image 1. And again here, I'm going to go ahead and generate 4 options. Great, and so those 4 have been generated. I'll just hide the controls again. And so here now you can see that, those have just swapped the product directly in. So those are the 2 ways in which to use a scene. Either if you want to swap your product directly into it, then come to the images section, or if you want to use it as a reference and inspiration to then create variations, that's where you'll add it as a scene in the side nav and then reuse it in the photo shoots area. Thanks, and we hope that was helpful.